XRP Rippl News and Price Prediction, July 1st. In today's XRP Rippl News and Price Prediction. MasterCard Partners with Xrp. Alright, let's get started. The Rippl and XRP community has been long betting on mainstream adoption growth rather than its market price. In this continued effort, Rippl has announced a partnership and appointment of MasterCard's Cindy Young as managing director of its European operations. Strengthening Ripple's vision to rule the cross-border payments landscape, Cindy brings over 15 years of fintech experience to oversee strategy and champion the expansion of Ripple's global financial network technology, RippleNet. Young currently works at MasterCard, where she spent 5 years in strategy, commercialization, bank fintech partnerships and business development. RippleNet General Manager Ashish Birla said, "Cindy's appointment represents a huge opportunity for our European operations given her leadership experience, deep understanding of the payments landscape, and knowledge of how to grow and scale a network business." The increased focus on the European market can be attributed to the fact that around 25% of Rippl customers are represented by the European demographic. According to Ripple's press release, year-to-date, European on-demand liquidity, ODL, transactions grew by 250% in comparison to 2020, making up over 40% of all ODL transactions year-to-date. Considering years of partnerships with financial institutions across the globe, the company seems to have maintained its upward trajectory in terms of XRP adoption. Europe currently stands at the frontier of crypto adoption, driven by the stringent General Data Protection Regulation. By following the various compliance requirements put in place by the European government, RippleNet continues to bridge payment corridors around the world with partners such as Paydeck, Xbot, Lemonway and MoneyNetInt. XRP may reach $1 at this time. XRP was quick to react to a wider recovery in the global cryptocurrency market as prices pushed north and back towards its 24th of June high of 69 cents. Its weekly rise of over 15% was a relief to market observers and may have been heightened by the latest ongoings in the Rippl vs. US SEC lawsuit. Now trading at the upper trendline of an ascending triangle, XRP eyed a breakout to reclaim various levels lost post the crypto sell-off. At the time of this video, XRP held the 7th position in the crypto rankings and traded at $0.688, up by 9.7% over the last 24 hours. XRP's bounce back from 48 cents a week ago saw the digital asset rise steadily on the charts. An ascending triangle formed in the process as XRP found support at higher levels of -54 cents, 57 cents and 58 cents. These lows indicated a lower trendline of its bullish pattern. Focus now shifted towards the upper trendline present at 69 cents. Further above lay the XRP's daily 200 SMA green and resistance mark of $0.778, an area that triggered a 21% decline to its 22nd of June swing low of $0.478. A close above these areas would open the doors for a gradual hike towards the $1 mark in a best-case scenario. However, there were still indications of bearishness and bulls would have to work hard to overcome such signals. The relative strength index reset in the oversold region and was on its next leg forward. A rise above 50 over the coming days would denote bullish strength and heightened chances of XRP revisiting $1. Directional movement index was still suggestive of a bearish trend, although the plus DI line did inch closer to the D line. A bullish crossover would be its first since the 19th of May and would indicate a faster revival. MACD's histogram highlighted receding bearish momentum and saw a positive crossover between the fast-moving and signal lines. While these indicators may not fully convince market observers of a shifting trend, key developments over the next few days certainly would. A close above $0.778 could push XRP towards its 100 MA yellow present at 95 cents, from where another jump towards $1 was possible. However, bulls must be cautious of sudden bursts of selling pressure, which is quite frequent in an overall bear market. XRP was building up towards an ascending triangle breakout, one that could possibly boost prices back towards $1. However, key indicators were yet to overturn and a close eye must be maintained on them moving forward. Investors should watch out for the recent cryptocurrency crashes which have wiped out several $billion from the entire cryptocurrency market. The total cryptocurrency market cap decreased by 8% in the past week, dropped from $1.59 trillion to $1.46 trillion based on the chiz latest report. Nearly all leading assets, Bitcoin and top altcoins like XRP, Lieutenant Colonel, Doge, and ETH have suffered a negative impact on returns. Long-term sentiment scores have remained positive, though on-chain sentiment for several top altcoins was largely negative following the crash. How XRP is trading. Ripple's XRP rallied by 9.51% on Tuesday. Reversing a 0.75% loss from Monday, Ripple's XRP ended the day at $0.70560. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP fall to an early morning intraday low $0.64237 before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.6267, Ripple's XRP rallied to a midday intraday high $0.73210. Ripple's XRP broke through the day's major resistance levels before a late pullback. Late in the day, Ripple's XRP briefly fell back through the third major resistance level at $0.7055 before ending the day at $0.7056. At the time of writing, Ripple's XRP was down by 1.57% to $0.69450. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP rise to an early morning high $0.70837 before falling to a low $0.69414. Ripple's XRP left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Ripple's XRP will need to avoid the $0.6934 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.7443 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break out from Tuesday's high $0.73210. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and resistance at 75 cents would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Ripple's XRP could test resistance at 80 cents. The second major resistance level sits at $0.7831. A fall through the $0.6934 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.6546 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of sub-65 cents levels. The second major support level sits at $0.6036. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to all investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.